magical Christmas celebration. It was a crisp winter evening in the bustling city of Mumbai, India. Five best friends, Isha, Priya, Riya, Neha, and Tanya, were eagerly awaiting the arrival of their five best friends, Arjun, Rohan, Aditya, Karan, and Sahil, for their annual Christmas dinner. The girls had been planning these special events for weeks, meticulously coordinating the menu, decorations, and even a secret gift exchange. They were determined to make this Christmas celebration the most memorable one yet. As the clock struck 6, the doorbell rang and the boys arrived, bundled up in their warmest winter attire. The girls greeted them with warm hugs and ushered them inside, where the aroma of delicious Indian delicacies filled the air. The dining table was adorned with a stunning centerpiece featuring a miniature Christmas tree surrounded by twinkling lights and colorful ornaments. The girls had gone all out, ensuring that every detail was perfect. As they sat down to enjoy the feast, the chatter and laughter filled the room. The friends shared stories about their recent adventures, their school lives, and their dreams for the future. Isha, the most artistic of the group, had even created a beautiful Christmas themed mural on the wall, which the others admired with awe. After the main course, the group moved to the living room where a towering Christmas tree stood, its branches laden with sparkling ornaments and twinkling lights. The kids marveled at the sight, their eyes wide with wonder. Wow, this tree is even bigger than the one at the mall, exclaimed Rohan as he reached up to touch one of the ornaments. My dad helped me decorate it, Priya said proudly. He is really good at making the lights look just right. The friends spent the next hour decorating the tree, carefully placing each ornament and tinsel strand. They even made their own homemade decorations using colorful paper, glue, and glitter. As the tree took shape, the kids couldn't help but feel a sense of excitement and anticipation. They knew that the best part of the evening was yet to come, the gift exchange. Once the tree was complete, the friends gathered around, eagerly awaiting their turn to open their presents. Isha, being the most organized of the group, had carefully labeled each gift with the recipient's name. One by one, the friends opened their presents, their face lighting up with joy and surprise. Arjun received a brand new skateboard, which he had been waiting for months. Neha was thrilled to find a set of art and supplies, complete with paints, brushes, and a sketch pad. The gift exchange was a huge success, and the friends couldn't stop gushing about their new treasures. But the real magic happened when they discovered that each present had been carefully chosen with the recipient in mind. As the evening drew to a close, the friends gathered around the Christmas tree, sipping hot chocolate and sharing their favorite holiday memories. They talked about the celebrity Christmas trees they had seen on TV and how they wished they could decorate one themselves. Suddenly, Tanya had an idea. Hey, why don't we start our own Christmas tree decorating business? We could make custom trees for people and even decorate some to local charities. The others immediately jumped on board, their eyes sparkling with excitement. They spent the rest of the evening brainstorming ideas and sketching out designs for their new venture. As the friends said their goodbyes and headed home, they couldn't help but feel a sense of joy and accomplishment. They had not only created a magical Christmas celebration, but they had also discovered a new way to spread holiday cheer throughout their community. In the days that followed, the friends worked tirelessly to bring their Christmas tree decorating business to life. They reached out to local businesses and organizations, offering their services and showcasing their unique designs. The response was overwhelming, and soon the friends were booked solid with orders. They spent their weekends decorating trees, each one more beautiful and creative than the last. But the true reward came when they were able to donate several fully decorated trees to local children's hospitals and orphanages. The joy in the kids' faces were priceless, and the friends knew that they had truly made a difference in their community. As the holiday season came to a close, the friends gathered once again for their annual Christmas dinner. This time, they had even more to celebrate: the success of their Christmas tree decorating business and the joy they had brought to so many people. As they sat around the table, sharing stories and laughter, the friends knew that this Christmas would be one they would never forget, and they couldn't wait to see what the next year would bring.